Nifty Wallet is a robust cryptocurrency wallet designed to facilitate seamless interaction with blockchain networks, particularly Ethereum. In this video, we explore the core features of Nifty Wallet, including its user-friendly interface, compatibility with dApps, and comprehensive token management capabilities. The wallet is tailored for users looking for a streamlined experience in managing both fungible and non-fungible tokens. To start, the setup process is straightforward. Simply download the Nifty Wallet extension and follow the guided steps to create or import your wallet. The platform ensures a secure onboarding process, with private keys stored locally on your device, granting users complete control over their assets. The wallet's interface is intuitive, offering quick access to features such as balance tracking, transaction history, and token swapping. Users can seamlessly interact with popular decentralized applications directly within the wallet. This integration supports a range of activities, from trading on decentralized exchanges to engaging with NFT marketplaces. Another standout feature is its robust support for ERC20 and ERC721 tokens, making it an excellent choice for managing a diverse crypto portfolio. Nifty Wallet ensures optimal security through advanced encryption and allows users to connect to their preferred Ethereum nodes for enhanced control and privacy. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. As the wallet supports custom networks, it is also ideal for users engaging with test nets or alternative Ethereum-based chains. Its adaptability ensures it meets the needs of beginners and advanced users alike, whether you're swapping tokens or exploring new decentralized applications. Nifty Wallet serves as a reliable companion for all blockchain-related activities. Stay up to date with your crypto holdings and explore the dynamic world of blockchain with Nifty Wallet. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell to stay informed about the latest crypto tools and reviews.